Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will be showing you 3 Notion hacks you didn't know, so be sure to watch till the end. Notion has tons of templates to help you get started faster. Whether you need a task list, a project planner, or a habit tracker, you don't have to create them from scratch. Just choose a template and start using it right away. Instead of managing separate lists on different pages, you can link your Notion databases. This way, all your information stays connected. Let me show you. First, type in / and select Link View of Database. Next, select the database or page you want to add. Then let's rename it, and you can also add or change your icon here. Next, let's go to Layout and use the Gallery option. For this example, let's set the card preview to none. For the card size, you can select different sizes. You can also show page icon or not. Now go back and select Property Visibility. Here, you can choose which properties you want to display on your dashboard or in your gallery view. And there you go. For the last one, I will show you how to add a weekly habit tracker using a button. So first, type in /button, then type the name of your button, and you can also add an icon. For the New Action section, select Insert Blocks, then drag your tracker or your database inside. Then click Done. Now let's try. And there you go. Want more Notion tips and hacks? Comment down yes. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated. See you in my next video.